Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po i-share lang po natin po itong list ng 8 government agencies na meron na pong special allotment release order from DBM para po sa kanilang performance-based bonus 2023. So check po natin sa website po ng DBM kung ano po itong mga agencies na to. First po sa ating list ay ito pong Bureau of Jail Management and Penology ng Regional Office ng NCR. Nakalagay po rito na to cover the funding requirements for the grant of fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus or PBB to 23,047 qualified officials and personnel of the DILG BJMP. So congratulations po sa Bureau of Jail Management and Penology dahil malapit na po nyong matanggap yung kanilang pong PBB. Next po sa ating list ay ito pong Presidential Broadcast Service Bureau of Broadcast Services. So ayan na po to cover the payment of the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus for entitled officials and employees. Next po sa ating list ay ito pong Philippine Statistics Authority. Meron na rin po silang SARO para po sa kanilang performance-based bonus. At kasama rin po dyan ang Mindanao Development Authority. Next po sa ating list ay ang Anti-Red Tape Authority. Meron na po silang SARO for their 2023 performance-based bonus. And then meron na rin po ang Science and Technology Information Institute at kasama po din po sa ating list yung Institute for Labor Studies. So meron na po silang SARO for their performance-based bonus. And then lastly, we have the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD's Central Office. At ito po marami po ito, 16,007 qualified employees will get their performance-based bonus pag ito po ay na-release na. So, ang tanong po ay kasama na po ba ang DepEd for the qualified government agencies na makaka-receive po ng PBB 2023. So, check po natin sa ating list yung ating Department of Education, and then check po natin yung ating scorecard. Dahil doon po naka-base kung tayo po ay qualified na po to receive the performance-based bonus. Yan po. So, still, it's a red color. So, it means po na hindi po tayo qualified, And currently, in appeal po yung ating PBB 2023. So, hopefully, mabago po itong ating scorecards, maayos, and ma-receive na rin po natin yung ating performance-based bonus 2023 soon. So, let's cross our fingers. So, if you want the latest updates about this news, DepEd and other government agencies, so don't forget po to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po tayo kung meron po mga latest videos. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!